Hello students, welcome to St. Michael e-learning class. I am Aman Chaurasia. Today we will start our fifth unit. Chapter name is Tourist Spots. Okay? Children, in this chapter we learn about some tourist spots in India. Okay? India is a place of mixed culture. The majestic monuments, historical sites and landform make for wonderful tourist spots in India. Read about famous tourist destinations in India, identify to which state they belong and write the correct letter in these given boxes. Okay? You can see the number one first. You can see in this picture, this is a tourist destination. It is in India. Munner is a hill station famous for its tea garden and lush green hills. Our answer is what? Number G. It means that our answer is Kerala. Okay. The second one is, you can see in this picture, this is also a tourist destination. It is in India. Hampi has the ruins of the Vijayanagar kingdom. Okay. Now our answer is C. It means that Karnataka. Okay. Third one is, Baga border is the site where the lowering of flags ceremony is conducted daily by the security forces of India and Pakistan. It is also a tourist destination and it is in India. Our answer is what? A. It means Punjab. Okay. The fourth one is, you can see in this picture, this is a tourist destination. It is also in India. The Tehri Dam is India's highest dam on the Bhagirathi river. Okay. Our answer is F. F means Uttarakhand. Okay. The next one is, Nalanda is the ruins of one of the greatest universities of the 5th century. Our answer is B. It means Bihar. Nalanda is also a tourist destination. It is in India. Okay. It is in Bihar. Okay. Now, sixth one is, elephant caves are the caves across the sea from the gateway of India. It means that our answer is what? D. Okay. D means Madras. Our answer is Madras. Okay. Now the next page. Havelock Island is famous for its beautiful beaches and coral reef. It is also a what? Tourist destination and it is in India. Okay. Then our answer is, guess the children. Our answer is K. It means K. It means Andaman and Nicobar. Okay. Eighth one is, Ladakh is famous for its mountain passes and Himalayan range. It is also a beautiful tourist destination in India. Our answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. The next one is, Kaziranga is famous for its one horned rhino. Okay. Our answer is L. L means Assam. Okay. Mahabalipuram has rock cut caves and intricately Cave Temple. Okay, this is also a tourist destination. It is in India. Our answer is H. H means Tamil Nadu. Okay. 11th is Manali has lush green forest, meadows and snow-capped mountains. Our answer is I. It means Himachal Pradesh. Okay. The next one is, and the last one is, Noikalai Falls have the tallest building of all falls in India. It is a very beautiful tourist destination. It is in India. Okay. Now our answer is this picture. Our answer is Meghalaya. E means Meghalaya. Okay. Now I hope you will understand this chapter. Thank you for watching this video.